Well, I consider myself very lucky because I have just moved from Guernsey in the Channel Islands with my partner to our new home in the Isle of Skye in northwest Scotland. Now that's great because Skye's a fantastic place to live. Guernsey was pretty okay too, but Skye's a fabulous place. But it does mean that there's been something of an interruption to my workshop activities. The end result of that will be pretty good because I'm going to end up having a bigger workshop than the small garden shed workshop I had in Guernsey. But the one snag is that the new workshop has yet to be built. So here is my workshop in its current state. Everything dismantled and laid out in boxes and crates, awaiting the building of a new workshop, which will take about a year, probably, with everything going kind of slowly these days. So that, apart from the main machine tools, is the contents of the shop. So not in a usable condition right now, so I'm going to have to concentrate on other projects. A few other bits and pieces just out here in another part of the loft of the house, and then some machine tools to follow in a minute. Well, hardly an ideal storage solution this, but here in one of our bedrooms on the ground floor of the house are my machine tools. Large drill press at the back, covered in plastic. Also covered in plastic, my wood turning lathe, the Coronet Major Wood Machining Centre, and its bench. My metal lathe underneath there, and its bench. Small milling machine on its stand. Had a sheet metal bending cutting machine on the floor. And here is the last engine that I completed, all stored in a bedroom. A less than ideal situation, but a temporary one, even though temporary in this case means probably over a year before I get a workshop built. One has to be patient in these parts of the world. Thanks for watching. Cheers.